Hey guys, so I've been hearing this whole thing about people drinking sparkling water and is and trying not to burp, and I just gotta say it's not that hard to do so. Okay, so I got some sparkling water right here, and I'm just gonna chug this bad boy. Let's get started. That's all of it. Okay, so far so good. Just gotta hold it in. It feels like it's gonna explode. Okay. Whew. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that hurts. Oh, it feels like I'm gonna explode. Oh, not bad. Just gotta find my food. Alright, I'm gonna go and get some more. Okay, so I got myself another thing of sparkling water. So I'm gonna go and chug this bad boy. Oh, it's already hard to hold it in. Let's try it out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was a big one. Well, I gotta go and use the bathroom, so that's it for this video. Gotta go.